Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Extrude, Revolution, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. We finalize this 3D solid part in 3 steps. The 3 steps are creating the lower part, the upper part, and at the end adding fillet to the edge. In step 1, we sketch the lower part profile on XY plane and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. First, sketch the inner and the outer contour. Convert this circle to construction curve. Sketch additional lines for the reference and convert them to construction lines. Sketch the circles with a radius of 16 mm at the end of the construction lines. Now, sketch a circle with radius of 40 mm and constrain it tangential to the other circles. Remove unnecessary curves with the Trim tool. Select this curve and activate the Symmetry tool and then select the vertical axis. Remove again unnecessary curves with the Trim tool and then constrain the endpoints. Check if is there a gap between the curve and the circle. Constrain the curve endpoint to the circle. Now, we have the shape, but it is not constrained. Assign the dimensions. Sketch the circles with a diameter of 16 millimeters. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 8 millimeters. As you see, there is issue to create a solid part. In this case, we have to check the sketch with Validate Sketch tool. Here, the sketch needs a correction. Now, the sketch is corrected. Select the sketch again and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 8 millimeters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the video. In step 2, we sketch the middle section of the upper part and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Here are the dimensions. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Extract the reference edges. Now we create roughly the shape of the profile and then we constrain the sketch and put the dimensions later. Constrain these two lines equal. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Now select the sketch and activate the revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. The last step is adding a fillet to the created solid part. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the solid part. You can download these textures from internet. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.